nothing like getting up early in the morning just to get some gas. Let's see how much 30 got me. Almost a full tank. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna go to Starbucks right now because they're giving away those free reusable cups. And you know, your girl wants one. The red cup, so I'm gonna get Starbucks drink. That's annoying. Hi, can I get a caramel brulee latte, grande?
I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time giving you what was that size?
Grande?
Here, what else for you?
That'll be it.
You got it.
I'm so pissed. How are you guys gonna offer red cups and then already be out at like 7 in the morning? Hi guys, so my camera ran out of space, so I couldn't vlog me getting my food, but they were out of the red reusable cups, which I was very sad about. So yeah, but I still got a coffee, which still like defeat the purpose of me going. But yeah, so I'm making breakfast right now, and I'm barely drinking, and it's kind of cold now. I was like doing dishes and everything. But I do want to show you guys real quick what I got from Target yesterday. So from Target yesterday, I got these single pack makeup remover wipes. I thought these would be so perfect because, like, you know when you get that travel one but it dries out because the thing doesn't stick properly? So I was like, I'm just gonna get like these. So yeah, it comes with 20 of them. Got nail polish remover, and then it has like the pump for it, which is pretty awesome. It makes things way more convenient, especially when you have a toddler and your kid likes to bump into everything. And then I got the Soap and Glory liquid eyeliner. This is what I used to use before I got like my Tarte one. But my Tarte one dried out so fast, so I'm like, I'm going back to Soap and Glory. And then, the other day from Ulta, I got this Urban Decay concealer, which I'm excited for. It was on clearance for only 15 bucks. Hi guys, so, we're on our way to the restaurant right now. I think that's where she got from saying like, hi guys, from this me. Because every time I like talk, I'm like, hi guys. So we're on our way to the restaurant right now. I'm super excited to eat some yummy food. We're supposed to be there at 6 and it's a 45-minute drive, but my mom's never on time. Even to her own birthday, she wouldn't be on time. So I'm very sad though. I can't really put you guys on the tripod right now because it broke off on my dashboard. Like I told you guys earlier. And it just like broke off. I'm surprised my camera didn't break because like it literally like threw my camera. So yeah, I'm wearing this bright, flattering red lipstick because red lipstick looks amazing on me. Yeah, so I'm so excited to eat.
So what is this?
I already told you it's like a buffet, but
Tell me again.
an expensive
Tell
one.
your friends.
So we're going to, fuck, what is it called again? Rodizio's. Basically, it's a very, very, very fancy buffet area, buffet, whatever you say it.
Buffet.
Buffet area. and they bring like all sorts of expensive meats. So it's like $40 a person, but they bring like very high quality meat to you and like cut it for you. It's all fresh. Like it's very well worth the money. I've only been there once, and that was with my dad.
Was it good?
It was really good.
That's all they have is just meat?
No, they have like a buffet area where you go and grab sides and shit. But they bring the meat to you. The only thing that sucks about it is because you pay so much money, but realistically, you're probably only going to eat one plate.
That's it, really?
Yeah. No, like you get so full that you like can't even. But yeah, so Maddie's free, thank gosh. We would not be going. Just kidding. But yeah, I can't imagine if we were to have another kid. Oh, that'd be so expensive to pay for 2 kids at a buffet. Yeah.
Yeah, until they're. You only pay for them when they're like what, 2 and 3?
Anyways, I've been wearing a lot of black lately, guys. I got my black phone case, my black nails. I'm living for the black.